Hey guys, it's Nicole and Blake. We're going to go over some of the functions on your key fob today.
This is the key for a 2018 Range Rover Sport. You have your lock. It's going to lock it, fold in the mirrors, unlock. Mirror's going to fold back out. You have your headlights. They're going to come on. You can push it again to turn it back off. You can also open the trunk. Close the trunk. And your panic button.
Alright, we're going to go over how to raise and lower the suspension just from your key fob. This is really great if you have to hook up a trailer or if you're towing anything, so you don't have to get into the car to do it. So you're going to go to your key. You're going to make sure your hazards are on first. Press the headlight button and hold that down. To go up, we're going to press the unlock button. And then to go back down, we're going to press the tailgate button.